Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today, I'm going to be showing you all a simple way to create your covers. If you do not have Tangent templates and you use their KDP helper or the templates that you can get from Amazon confuse you, I'm going to show you how you can create a cover and upload it on KDP's Cover Creator. So let's get started. I'm going to take it back to basics and I'm going to show you all how I create a simple notebook cover. And we're going to be doing, I think I'm going to do a journal. And I'm going to use the 6x9 dimensions. So you just go to create a design. Click custom design. In the background you hear my son. So everybody say hello. I'm going to go to inches. And like I said, we're going to go 6x9. We don't have to know any other dimensions except for 6x9. You don't have to know how big your spine is or anything. So we're gonna create a new design. Okay, now I'm gonna design a cover. I'm gonna change the cover. Today is St. Patrick's Day, so I'm just going to do something St. Patrick's themed. I'm not gonna upload this for real, but I'm just going with the holiday. And I'm gonna show you what I like to do a lot. You don't have to make this hard at all. This is gonna be a simple text-based design. So I'm gonna put the letter T so that my text box will pop up. I'm gonna make this kind of big and I'm gonna type in blessed. Okay, and I'm gonna change the font because I want this to be, I want the letters to be kind of wide. And this quote that I'm using, I'm not sure if it's copyrighted or not. So USPTO is where you should look to check trademarks. But like I said, this is just I'm just using this as an example. I'm not uploading it for real. So this is a quote that I think will be kind of cute for today, St. Patrick's Day. It's the font. And if you know me, I love Anton because the letters are thick. And you can use any font you want, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, and I'm going to type in Anton. If it's not at the top, I use it a lot, so it may no, it's not there, so I'm going to type it in. And there are 3 different Antons. I'm going to use the biggest one. Okay. I'm going to make this almost as wide as possible. I want it to. Now I'm going to look at something. I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to click outline. This is a new effect that Canva has. You can outline. It's not exactly the same as splice, but it's similar to splice. I'm going to see how this looks with a black outline. Okay, blessed. And then I'm going to copy this 2 times because I'm going to use 2 more words. Oops. Blessed. Not lucky. Now, what I like to do for the most part, I like everything to be, if this doesn't look right, I'm going to change it. But I love for my words to be the same width. So I do stretch my letters, my words a lot. And this looks different. The thickness looks a little different. So I'm gonna I want all of them to look the same. So I'm gonna go reduce the thickness of knot, just so it can be similar to the thickness of blessed. That looks a little bit better. And I'm gonna do the same with lucky. Just go down a little bit. That's pretty good. Like I said, this is just an example. I'm not gonna upload this for real. Want to download this? Download it as a PNG. And also, I've told you all to create a logo for yourself. I want you to have that logo available to use as well. If you're using this for a specific brand, this is what I want you to do. I want you to download, let me download that. Delete this. I want this. And I'm making it bigger. And I'm going to download my logo as a transparent PNG. Okay, now that we have those two files downloaded, all you do is after you have entered in your book title, the description, your keywords, and everything else, you go on to the next step. And from there, you're going to go here. This is a low content book, so we don't need an ISBN number anymore. So we go on down. We created, well, we got the black and white paper or whatever paper you decide. We're going with the 6x9, so I don't have to change that. Not gonna change anything else because it's not really important. And we're gonna go to launch cover creator. A lot of people don't like it because most of the time when people use the cover creator, they're creating a cover from scratch on the creator, but we're not doing this. We're going to use what we created in Canva, and this is gonna help you if you're having problems coming up with the full cover. This is going to show you how to create the front, and you don't have to worry about the back. Now we're going to take an image not from the gallery. When they ask you to pick from the gallery, this is their gallery, not your gallery. So I'm going to go from my computer. Now, as you can see, we have 6 different covers to choose from, but we're only going to be worried about this one right here, the first one. So we're going to click on it and see that the cover is in place. All of this here, I'm just going to click on these words and delete them. We don't need any of this. If you want to keep your title going down the spine, you're free to do that, but for the most part, I take everything off. Use the layout, and I'm going to choose the third choice so that this the where's your photo would go, or like a regular book, a regular fiction or nonfiction book, where your author name would go. And instead of putting a picture, this is where we're going to get our logo. So I'm going to get logo. And I want it right there in the center of my notebook. And this is how you can possibly get more sales. They need to know where they got this from. You could put it here, or you could use one of the other choices if you would wish, but I like to put it in the middle. And this is simply how you can get a cover created without going through finding dimensions and everything. All you need to know is what size pages you're creating, and whatever size pages you went with, you do the same thing with your cover. So we have a 6x9, and now we got to preview it. And if you like it, you save it. And then all you have to do is upload your pages. They're going to do everything else for you. And they're going to upload that for you. It's going to process. You upload your manuscript, and that's where you put your pages. If you're confused as to what manuscript they're talking about your interior. And when they both load up, see, there we go. Our cover is waiting, or it's ready. See, you can see where the barcode's going to be. All you need to do is upload that manuscript, or the interior rather, and then you go on to the next step. You're going to preview everything, your pages and your cover together, and you're going to save and continue, and go set your prices, and then you're set. So you can use the KDP Cover Creator to create your covers, or to set your covers rather. You're creating your covers wherever you create covers, and just upload it through the Cover Creator. So just wanted to show you guys another trick that can get you by if you're having problems with coming up with dimensions. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please like. Thank you all for subscribing. I'm almost at 1,000. I'm so happy about that. So subscribe, comment what else you need to know from me about KDP, Etsy, Redbubble, anything print on demand, anything mostly online. Maybe I can help you. If I can't, I'll look it up and see if I can find out some information and help you all out. Be blessed.